Hello and welcome to another diecast review. You can kind of tell I have a new setup, technically, kind of. I changed my setup a lot of where I film my videos, but hopefully for now, for the upcoming future, this will be where most of my videos will take place. That aren't stop motions. And hopefully it won't change too much. So today's diecast review will be on a 2022 Chase Briscoe Mahindra tractors Ford Mustang for Stewart Haas Racing. I got this car yesterday. It's pretty cool. My first next gen. So yeah, let's get this thing out the box. Oh, wow, dude. Wow. I'm trying to close this box back up, because I keep all my boxes. You never know when I'm going to need them. So yeah, here it is. This is the 2022 Chase Briscoe Mahindra tractors. I think I'm saying that right. Ford Mustang for Stewart Haas Racing. Let's get started. This is the car I won Phoenix with. 14 Briscoe. Got the Briscoe right there. Got Mahindra tractors. Got the. I love this new Ford. Wait, let me turn on flash here. I love this new Ford. Hopefully this is better. I like the new Ford. The Ford front end. Just really muscly. In real life, it's really better. But yeah, it's 14. I don't know. The number slid Ford's alright, I guess. Yeah, let's get into this one. So, like I said, Mahindra tractors got the front end. Got all the thingies there. So yeah, you can see the one lug nut. I like the way Lionel did that. Finally one thing they do good. So yeah, Mahindra tractors, Rush truck centers, high point, what does that say? One Cure, Haas, Mobile One, NASCAR Cup car. See the exhaust, got Goodyear logos right there, got the headlights. The 14, man, I just love that front end there, dude. The muscle. I like the headlights, dude. Same thing on this side. Don't really see too many decal flaws. Got gear wrench right there. Got Briscoe on the name rail. Got the fin. Got Briscoe right there. See the interior in there. Yeah, got the window net there. Got gear wrench. Got the fuel thingy there. Mahindra tractors, 14, Chase Briscoe, Mahindra tractors. I like the way the spoiler is on here. Get to the back, got Ford, got the Ford license plate, got Mobile One, got 14, got the exhaust pipes here. And man, I love the rear diffuser. It just looks cool on the diecast. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go to the undercarriage of this car. 2022 Ford Mustang, used under license. Lionel Racing, made in China. Got the body, the base plate. And I just love the way the diffusers look and feel, dude. Just really cool, bro. So, yeah. That is the Chase Briscoe 2022 Mahindra tractors. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.